with her light company. So at the same time, the state Bangalore also has given back to her. It is mutually. And now, once there were potholes, heavy rainfalls, everything. Now it's been attended. 1,000 crores have been given. Work is going on. And when work is going, before drawing an attention is different. When the work is going on, you again tweeting it is not in a good taste.
And Ritu now joins me live. Ritu, same story, another day. Again, you have so many people questioning the intent of the state government in Karnataka.
Well, very true. You see, Bengaluru might be known as the IT city, but the story here on the ground is really different because you have the commuters narrating these long stories, whether it is about the potholes in the city or for that matter, the traffic issues, the garbage issues. You see, now the NDTV has once again hit the roads to bring that reality, in fact, for the audience. We are right now on Vattur Road, where you see this whole stretch is filled with the potholes. Anywhere that you look around, it's only potholes. You see the traffic also piling up. The commuters are finding really difficult to navigate through these, the potholes, in fact. But there are also locals on this side. There are also techies who here, therefore, work in these companies at this stretch as well. We'll try and get their perspectives as well. So you're a techie working in a company. Huge pothole issues that we often see coming to the fore. The government says they are doing really a lot. But the kind of difficulty that you really have, and I can see a picture that is narrating a different story altogether from the city. So what is this, if you could describe us everything?
Yeah, the picture is all about, whenever it rains heavily, the situation depicts here that we have to literally hire boats to go out from the house, right? And this has been the condition of this area, Vattur, Panatur, Balgere, Gunjur. This has been the situation for last 10 years. We are staying here and situation is not at all improving. The struggle starts right at 7 a.m. when children has to go to school, they have to struggle a lot. Again at 9 a.m. when techies has to go to office, the struggle again starts. So it is throughout the day. 2 times child has to go to school, come back, we have to go and come back. And the condition of the road, you can look at the road condition. This is not at all scientific. The water will not come, there is no drainage system where water can go easily. And this we are struggling a lot. And in fact, what we are asking Siddaramaiah and the DK Shivakumar is, please relieve us from paying property tax. There are around 25,000 apartments in the area. Relieve us from paying tax. We will hire the competent authority who can give guarantee for the work. There is no guarantee for this work. We will hire them. We will get the guarantee. We will crowdfund. We will take the responsibility, crowdfund, and get the work done. Please relieve us from paying property tax.
You see, that's the kind of anger that the localites here also have. We also have one of the, again, a techie joining us as well, who's also a mother as well. Ma'am, you were narrating a story, the kind of experience that you have had. You had your heart pumping hard when you saw your kid, in fact, in that situation when the pothole related story that you were narrating. If you could highlight us that, and what is that really you see the officials need to do to fix this issue?
See, when we are paying tax, now what they are doing, I don't know. They are using for personal purpose or we don't know. See, you saw the roads. When kids is coming out, kids is coming home or not, we are not sure. Because of this road, then depend on drivers. We cannot blame drivers also because, see, when bus will stuck, we can't go and blame the driver. Because of driver is driving the bus, then if your road is correct, then why driver will be doing mistake, right? See, my office will start at 9 o'clock. See, half of the time, most of the 6 hours we are staying on roads. We are losing our energies. We are losing our family times, everything here.
There you see, that's what the locals, or for that matter, the techies really here have to say, that there's no official who's taking this permanent responsibility to bring in a permanent solution. There are only temporary solutions which they do not require. Now that's the kind of demand that we are seeing here in Bengaluru, but needs to be seen because we do see how that the Deputy CM DK Shivakumar is saying that the GBA officials are on ground to fix these issues permanently. The repairs are on across the city to fill the potholes, but of course the permanent solution is what is required. Back to you.